In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a signature field to a form in Smartsheet, step by step in a simple and clear way. This is really useful if you're collecting approvals, confirmations, or acknowledgements and want users to type their name as a signature when submitting a form. Whether you're using Smartsheet for internal workflows, client onboarding, or project sign-offs, this quick setup can make your forms much more professional. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Smartsheet tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to Smartsheet. Once you're logged in, navigate to the sheet where you want to create or edit a form. This should be the sheet that will collect the form responses, including the signature information. When the sheet opens, make sure you're in grid view so you can access all the sheet options easily. Next, look toward the top menu and click on the option that says Create Form. This will open the Smartsheet Form Builder in a new view. If you already have an existing form, Smartsheet will open it for editing. If not, it will create a brand new form connected to your sheet. Now that you're inside the Form Builder, we're going to add a new field specifically for the signature. On the left-hand side, click on the button that says Plus New Field. This allows you to create a new column in the sheet and add it directly to your form at the same time. When the new field settings appear, type the name of the field as signature. This is the label that users will see on the form, so keep it clear and simple. Using the word signature makes it obvious what the user is expected to enter. After naming the field, choose the field type. For signatures in Smartsheet forms, select text or number as the field type. Smartsheet does not currently support handwritten or drawn signature fields, so this method allows users to type their full name as a legal or acknowledgement signature. Once you've selected text or number, click on OK to save the new field. This will add the signature field to your list of available fields. Next, from the Fields panel, locate the signature field you just created. Click and drag it onto the form layout on the right-hand side. Drop it wherever you want it to appear, usually near the bottom of the form so users sign after filling out all other information. You can optionally click on the field to adjust settings like making it required, adding helper text, or changing the label description. Making the signature field required is a good idea if you want to ensure every submission includes a typed signature. Once you're happy with the placement and settings, your form is ready. You can preview the form to see how it looks for users, and then share it using the form link or embed it wherever needed. And that's it. You've successfully added a signature field to a form in Smartsheet. This small addition can make a big difference in tracking approvals and confirmations. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Smartsheet how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.